Hey, mini truckers. All right, this is Japanese Mini Truck Imports LLC. My location is in Wilmington, Delaware. So I'm gonna try again. I did all the adjustment for this little truck. Engine run good, transmission super smooth. So I had the lights on to make sure the carburetor is adjusted correctly. So let's do it. Push very hard. This is a great bitch. All right. So for any problems with your mini trucks, please, you can contact me. My phone number is 302-521-7661. Japanese Mini Truck Imports LLC. Location, state of Delaware. One more time. Beautiful.